Hi, have you ever felt confused about who you are? Like you are changing, growing, but not quite sure what you are becoming. That is exactly how Alice felt when she met the mysterious caterpillar in Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. Alice finds a blue caterpillar sitting on a mushroom, quietly smoking a hookah, completely at peace. No rush, no confusion, just stillness. And then he asks her a simple question: who are you? Such a small question. But Alice doesn't have an answer. She says, I hardly know, sir. I have changed so many times today. And honestly, haven't we all felt that? We grow, we learn, we fail, we become something new again and again until one day we pause and wonder, who am I really? The caterpillar doesn't rush to comfort her. Instead, he says, explain yourself. But Alice replies, I can't explain myself because I am not myself, you see? This moment feels confusing, even frustrating. But maybe that is the point. The caterpillar isn't there to give answers. He is there to make Alice think. Just like a caterpillar doesn't rush its transformation, it doesn't question every moment of change. It simply goes through it slowly, naturally, until one day it becomes a butterfly. Maybe we don't always need to have everything figured out. Maybe it is okay to feel lost sometimes because growth is messy, transformation is uncomfortable, and becoming your true self takes time. The caterpillar teaches us something powerful. You don't need to rush your identity. You don't need all the answers today. Just be present in your journey. So, if you ever feel unsure, like you are changing too much or losing who you used to be, remember this. Even the caterpillar once looked like it didn't belong before it learned how to fly. Growth doesn't ask you to understand, it only asks you to trust the process. Who are you? Maybe you don't have to know it. Don't rush the answer. Some identities take time to bloom. My dear art lovers, these are the thoughts I gently leave with you today. How did this video make you feel? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let us reflect together. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to our channel, How to Draw Step by Step. Thank you.